vakomana vemastate agents vaya vachipiwa mhosva. Vanhu vakutotya kuti zvichapera mushere apa vanoona kuti mastate agents aiwa anouya abducta an opposition leader. Sanapinda mashoko anoshamisa afundisa vanhu anotikamisana nhasi. Don't subscribe or like or turn on the bell. Tipinda pano pamuchinzi. Breaking news: heavily armed members of CID homicide department kidnapped was nothing Zimbabwe National Treasury for MRP. About 20 members of the CID homicide department is this evening, the 13th of December, kidnapped was nothing Zimbabwe National Treasury for MRP from his business tent at corner Hebert Chitepo and Selborne Road in Bulawayo. The incident occurred at 20:45 p.m. this evening. The members from the homicide department were heavily armed to teeth with AK-47s. They drove 3 twin cabs without number plates. Some members of the Republic around the place managed to identify some members of the homicide CID department. MRP officials are currently at Bulawayo Central Police Station in the CID homicide case department to search for Ngosnati Ncube, one of the MRP 9 members who served 3 years at Kami Maximum Prison, Chikurube Maximum Prison in the Harare Central Prison. MRP President Nkondisi Moyo have since informed Mr. Nkobani Sitole to engage that the homicide department for the release of Ncube. This is a developing story. Domashukanobuda panapationa kuti ava vakomana vemastate agents CID, they are now misusing their powers. Vatikona vana vachiabducta in opposition leaders. Vatoona kuti munyika yeZimbabwe aiwa amusina aiwa marights. Vatikona kuti ari kuviolatiwa, tiona vanhu vachingonyangarisiwa. Tose mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Pinda comment section yedu, subscribe or like.